Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 28th. Market analysis. Recently, with the change of the Trump administration's tariff policy, the trade war has cooled down, which has caused the risk aversion of market investors to fall back. The spot gold market fell sharply last week, reaching a minimum of $3,260.33 per ounce last week. The market quickly fell to a minimum of $3,267.99 per ounce shortly after the opening of Asia in early trading this trading day, and it is currently trading at around $3,292 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is at a high level. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $32.87 to $33.01, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,301 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.11 to $33.21. If the afternoon market breaks 3,287 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $32.77 to $32.67. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1340 and 1.1389. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1389 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1430 to 1.1480. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1340 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1280 to 1.1240. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3280 to 1.3333. If the market breaks 1.3333 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3357 to 1.3380. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3280 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3220 to 1.3170. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a rising mood in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6373 to 0.6406. If the market breaks 0.6406 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6460 to 0.6490. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6373 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6340 to 0.6270. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a rising mood. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 143.21 to 144.03. If the market breaks 144.03 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.50 to 144.90. If the afternoon market breaks 143.21 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.70 to 142.20. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.